Good morning to all of you. Now I am going to discuss some tools which are used for manufacturing of the pattern. As well, we will discuss molding process, how the mold, sand mold is prepared, and different type of sand. After this session, I will discuss in the next session the properties of the sand. What should be there in the sand so that we can achieve a good casting product. Is it clear? So now we are going to discuss some tools which is related to manufacturing of the pattern. That is the scale. Why scale is used? Scale is used to measure. It is used for measuring purpose of any length as well as its dimensions. Okay. It is here. This is your length. Okay. Combination set. This is the combination set. Okay. It is generally used to measure the angles perpendicularity, whether the edges is perpendicular to each other or not. Okay, that is measured by using this tool. Okay, to locate the center of the cylindrical job. You want to locate the cylindrical center. How will locate the center? By using this tool. Okay, this is here different types of tool which is used in the preparation of pattern. Is it clear? Okay, this is the caliper. Caliper are mainly two types. There, first one is internal caliper and another is external caliper. Okay? This is used. External caliper are used to measure the external dimensions. Is it clear? Suppose you have to measure the dimensions of a rod. Is it clear? Dimensions of a rod, that is diameter. Okay, you will use this tool. Okay, this tool is your caliper. Okay, external caliper. And internal caliper is this to measure the hole of any cylindrical or any object. You have to use the internal caliper. You know better in you have studied. I think you have studied the first year. Okay, this is the ratchet bracket. Ratchet brace is used to drill the holes in the horizontal as well as vertical plane. This is the horizontal. This contains the drill bit. Okay, and this is used to drill the holes in the horizontal. Okay, wheel brace is also you have seen in the workshop. Have you seen in the workshop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is by using this, there is a gear pinion mechanism. By using this, you have to rotate this handle manually. Okay, the drill bits rotate, and you have to press downward force so that you can make a drill or hole in the material. Okay, this is also used to make the small holes. Okay, this is your show. Okay, saw or plane. This is here a hacksaw. This is saw. Okay, saw is used to cutting purpose. It is used for cutting purpose as well as for planning. Planer are used for smoothing the surface of the pattern or any material. Okay, it is used to remove layer by layer of any material. So that wooden materials. It is not used for the iron. Okay, iron or steel. It is used for the plane or a jack plane or plane are used for niching operations. Is it clear? It is material removal process layer by layer. That is known as our jack plane. Jack plane is used to remove the extra material, extra layer of wood. Okay, and also it makes a smoother surface. Okay, this is all about tools which is used. There may be some more, but I have listed which is more important. Okay, this is our color coding for the pattern. Okay, pattern color basically is given to the casting to protection and identify the features of the pattern. Is it clear? Here you can see the example of a pattern. This is the pattern here. Black portion is showing it is painted on different types of colors, which means when a black color is used, it indicates that it is unfinished surface on the casting. Is it clear? You have to go for finishing operations. Red is finished surface on the casting. Red is not needed to finish. Is it clear? Yellow is here core print. This indicates that it is a core print. Is it clear? Black is parting surface. Okay, parting surface is here. This is the surface inside. You can see this is the black surface. Is it clear? This is the parting line which lies on the parting line, that is known as parting surface. And red yellow is a strip type that is used for the loose piece pattern. Is it clear? रेड येलो पैटर्न, येलो स्ट्रिप पे क्या होगा, रेड पैटर्न होगा, ठीक है. So that will be used for the loose piece pattern. Is it clear? This is color coding. You have to remember whenever some objective may be asked regarding this. Okay. Now we are moving to the mold preparations. Basically, I have told in the last classes about the casting process. It involves generally three types of steps. That is core making first if you needed. Okay, then you have to go for the preparation of sand. Okay, and you have also melting the raw material by using the furnace. Okay, so now you have to make the first pattern first by you have to achieve, you are going to create the mold cavity. For that purpose you have to make the pattern. Okay, and I have discussed in the last sessions how the pattern is made. Okay, okay, are you able to hear? Am I audible?
Yes sir.
Okay, ठीक है. तो पैटर्न फर्स्ट पैटर्न मैंने पढ़ लिया, उसके बाद okay, now we are moving towards the mold making. How the mold is prepared. Mold preparation, sand mold preparation process will be followed. Okay, उसके बाद क्या है, pouring होता है. Pouring के बाद we are allowed, it is allowed to solidified. After removal of the sand mold, you will get the object. Okay, so now we are going to discuss some mold preparations. Basically, mold preparation is what it refers to mold. It refers to the cavity generation. Okay, mold cavity generation. Okay, and which material is used for that purpose. Okay, so there are some features of the machining molding process. That is what. First one is the use of pattern. You have to use the pattern to make the mold cavity. Is it clear? You have to go for the preparation of aggregate mixture. Okay, that mixture contains what? That mixture contains the composition of the mixture will be our silica sand, that may be clay, water, and some additives. Is it clear? Okay, a means of forming the aggregate mixtures around the pattern. Okay, this mixture is filled around the pattern. Is it clear? And you have go for the hardening process. Hardening process means to develop the bond between these the two grains of the sand mold. Is it clear? Sand of the okay, so that
सर इधर नेटवर्क बहुत इशू कर रहा है सर.
कौन है
सर हेलो
या
सर नेटवर्क बहुत इशू कर रहा है सर, और सुबह से पावर भी नहीं है सर.
नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है.
आपका आवाज भी ब्रेक हो रहा है सर पूरा.
यस सर, आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है.
यहाँ तो नेटवर्क का भी ठीक है, पर पता नहीं हो सकता है इसलिए हो रहा हो
सर. इसीलिए कोई क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन कर पा रहा सर. सबका नेटवर्क बहुत इशू, और सुबह से किसी घर में पावर नहीं है. यहाँ पे सर हम लोग मतलब बैटरी से चार्ज कर करके चला रहे हैं सर. सुमित सर का भी क्लास इसलिए नहीं हुआ सर आज.
दिखाई दे रहा है अभी? हेलो हेलो, अभी
दिखाई तो दे रहा है,
है?
लेकिन आवाज ही आपका ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
कट रहा है सर आवाज.
सर आवाज बीच बीच में आ रहा है सर, बीच बीच में कट जा रहा है. इसीलिए सर आज का क्लास सस्पेंड करवा देते हैं सर, किसी और दिन ले लेते सर.
यस सर, दूसरा दिन ले लेते हैं.
सस्पेंड चोटी को बोलो सस्पेंड होगा. हम सस्पेंड अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं, समझे? अभी आ रहा है
सर. आपका आवाज बीच बीच में आता है सर, बीच बीच में नहीं आता है सर.
अभी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? अभी
संडे को ले लीजिएगा सर.
ओके, तो आज रहने दिया जाए.
यस सर।
संडे को ले लीजिएगा। देखिए सर, जो बहुत लोग ज्वाइन भी नहीं किया सर, वो लोग का भी इस सेशन का पढ़ाई सब चौपट हो जाएगा, इसीलिए एक ही बार में सबका
यस
लेते तो
सर।
अच्छा रहता।
डाल देंगे या ये डाल देंगे आपका तो हो जाएगा। क्या बोलते हैं, ये आपका जस्ट थ्योरी है, ग्रीन सैंड है, ड्राई
हाँ
सैंड है,
ठीक है,
व्हाट
डाल
इज
दीजिएगा नोट
हाँ
उसका।
हाँ सर, उस
दीजिएगा।
दिन उससे पहले वाला क्लास का भी आप नहीं डाले सर, आपको बोले थे सर पीपीटी जो था डाल दीजिएगा।
क्लासरूम पे डाल दीजिए।
उसको बता रहे हैं।
सर दोनों चीज आज वाला भी